Apple is ready to launch iPhone SE 3. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you all doing good. Apple is going to launch iPhone SE 3 in its spring event 2022 and it is almost confirmed what kind of a design and specs we will get in the iPhone SE 3. Where Apple started shrinking the sales of iPhone SE 2, but can we get the iPhone XR design in iPhone SE 3? iPhone SE 2 was released in 2020 and now Apple is started shrinking its sales across the United States and UK. It is now going out of stock and various carriers also out of stock on iPhone SE 2. Well, it is clear now that Apple will discontinue the SE second generation. Apple is going to launch iPhone SE 3 on March 8, 2022 in its spring event along with iPad Air with A15 bionic chip and MacBook Pro M2. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below iPhone SE 3 or iPhone 13 mini, which one you would prefer to buy. According to industry analyst John says that iPhone SE 3 will cost just $300, which is $100 less than its predecessor, and that is why Apple is discontinuing the iPhone SE 2 because it will cost you around $399. And why Apple is dropping that much of price? Well, Apple is justifying the SE 3 design because you will see the same design just like the iPhone SE 2 which looks identical to iPhone 8. In today's world, it's a very small phone, just 4.7 inches display and big bezels and Touch ID on the front. Well, if you're on a budget and still want an iPhone, then it will not be a bad option for you. With updated A15 bionic chips just like iPhone 13, and a rumor suggests that we may see a RAM update where it will get 4 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage top variant. Some rumors suggest we may get iPhone XR design, but most of them says we won't get that kind of a design next year in 2023, not this year. And if Apple launch XR design, then it will affect the sales of iPhone 13 lineup, which Apple don't want to do it with such a cheap price. If you're looking for a good camera device, then this should not be your first priority because it will only have 12 megapixel main lens and 7 megapixel selfie camera. Why it can be a flagship killer? The only reason is its processor A15 bionic chip. The benchmark score of A15 is more than a current generation flagship processor, Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, and if you don't need a big display and a fancy cameras, then iPhone user can prefer SE 3 over iPhone 13 Pro or Pro Max as his or her daily driver. With that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below iPhone SE 3 or iPhone 13 mini, which one you prefer to buy. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out!